is up, YouTube? Do you want to know the one reason why the big names always seem to get so many sales and you don't get that many, or maybe don't get any at all? It's actually not just a matter of having a big list. That helps. I won't say it doesn't. That does help, but there's actually another reason for it. And I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of Guru in a Box. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. My mother's cookies, but she doesn't actually make. My mother doesn't bake cookies. I don't know why I keep making that joke. It's lame. Just like my mother's cookies if she did bake them, but she doesn't. Anyway, sorry. but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's really, really quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of, well, crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, every single day, do you know how irritating that guy is? All the time, yakety, yakety, yakety. Crap. You think he will get it in life. Bart, seriously, get a writer, get some new lines. Anyway, the way things work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz says the same thing every day also, but I can't get angry at her. She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Hey, welcome. We are on the sales page for Guru in a Box from my friend Cam Jennings. No, not a self-help guru. He's a different kind of guru. Actually, he's not a guru. Whatever, forget it. Anyway, but seriously, so Guru in a Box, basically Cam has been doing the whole online marketing thing for the past, 4 years now. So you can actually see he's shown you how much he's earned since he started back in March of 2016, $168,000 as a vendor. What is this, 24 or 74? Can't tell, it's hard to read. However much, a lot of money as an affiliate also. He's done pretty well for himself, but he's still not one of the biggest names in the industry, but he's a pretty fairly well-known person in the industry, makes some decent money. But the nice thing is, and the reason I'm really excited about this particular product is the fact that he is not the biggest name in the industry. So he's not a Jonah Armstrong, okay? He's not a Brendan Mace. He's not a Billy Darr, and that's actually really, really good for you. I'm going to explain to you why in just a minute. Let me explain to you what this is, what my bonuses are, and why this is going to be the thing that you're going to love me for recommending to you.
I don't love you.
Okay? No, seriously, you're going to love me. Really? Well, you say that now, but, anyway. Sorry. So, okay. So why are you going to love me? Well, okay, let me explain to you what this is. Basically, what Cam's been doing for the past while now, he's been recording podcasts where he does stuff. He talks about how to make money online. He's got a set of 100 different audio recordings. He's giving you full PLR rights, which means that you can sell them. You can use it as bonuses. You can use it to build your list. Now, I personally recommend using it to build your list or using it as bonuses. I don't recommend selling them just on their own, and I'll explain why in just a moment. But basically, that's what you can do with these things. You can use them for that particular purpose. And my bonus that I'm going to be giving you when you pick this thing up from me, I'm going to give you, first of all, I'm going to give you over 100 additional ebooks that you can go ahead and use, along with my guide to customizing PLR, which is very, very valuable stuff, because PLR on its own is kind of useless. You have to customize it. Okay, but I'm also going to give you the right to give away my very own durable and my very own graphic supremacy. So you're going to have the link to give these things away. You can put it up, give it away to to help build your list or as a bonus. Now, why am I so excited about this? Well, okay, first of all, I know a lot of you, if you've been in the industry for a little while, you probably know what PLR stands for. It stands for private label rights, which means that you have the right to relabel it and say that it belongs to you. In this case, it's going to have Cam speaking, obviously, so you can say that you licensed it from Cam, whatever. Now, you may be saying to yourself, okay, well, Eric, I can just get free PLR. There's PLR websites. I can download whatever I want, and that's true. You can, if you want crap.
Crap.
Bart, don't start. Seriously, don't start. Now, the thing is like this. First of all, these are quality stuff. I've looked at it. I'll show you the members area in just a minute. There's not much to see there. It's really just downloadable stuff. Okay, but it's high quality recordings that have really good stuff. But the other thing is like this, and this is the reason that I'm so excited about this, because the fact I don't expect Cam to do 2,000 sales of Guru in a Box. Okay, he'll do a couple hundred sales, probably 3, 4, 500 sales. He's not going to do 2, 3, 4,000 sales, and that's good for you. Why is that good for you? Because it means that this isn't going to be saturated material. You see, the thing is like this: if you want to succeed against the big gurus, I mentioned this briefly in my intro, then basically what you need to do is to offer quality bonuses. Now, if you're brand new, that's kind of hard to do, or even if you've been doing it for a while but you don't really have much in the way of your own products, it's hard to offer quality bonuses. The reason it's hard to offer quality bonuses is because you can buy PLR. Okay, great. So you get the same PLR that 10,000 other people have, that your customers can go ahead and just download off the internet for free. So it's like, so why would I get it from you when I can go ahead and get it from, say, Jonah Armstrong, who's going to give something original of his own? And so basically, you're kind of like stuck where you don't have the content to give away in order to build up your list, in order to build things up for yourself. Okay, because basically all you're getting is the cheap, junky PLR that you get off of the internet. And the nice thing here is because these are quality, and because of the fact that it's not going to be something that's going to get saturated with thousands upon thousands of people giving them away, this is something that is going to be unique to you. You can relabel it and make it something unique to you that you can actually say, hey, I've got these 5 courses on how to rank on YouTube, for example. I don't know exactly, I haven't listened to every single one of the recordings. But let's say, and you wanted to do that for a YouTube product, okay? And you can actually put together your own product material for it. I'm going to show you in my custom box how to do that. And then this is something that's unique that you're going to have to give away, because there's not going to be a whole lot of people giving away the same things. Whereas when you're picking up the PLR that from like ID PLR, for example, everybody's got it. Everybody knows what it is, and the stuff is ancient and crappy. Seriously, it's just junk, okay? This is quality stuff, and you're also, of course, going to get another 100 ebooks, which are also not from IDPLR. These are stuff that I purchased the right to. They are not highly saturated, and of course, you have the right to give away 2 of my full-fledged courses, Durable as well as Graphic Supremacy, in order to help you build your list, use them as bonuses, so you can really start competing against the big guys. And you may be thinking to yourself, but Eric, the big guys all do their own stuff. No, they don't. Okay, that's a myth. Let me tell you something. Have you ever heard of Russell Brunson, the guy who created ClickFunnels? Russell Brunson does not do all of his own courses. He's got a lot of other people who go and present on his behalf. Why is that? Because he knows that makes him look more professional. So being able to say that you've licensed a product, licensed a course from somebody else who's a professional, and say, hey, I've got this thing from somebody else who's a good quality product, I can offer this to you, that actually makes you look more professional. And other people do it too. People like Frank Kern. Okay, Frank Kern is one of the biggest names in the industry. Okay, people like Mike Filsaime, all these guys do that. They go and license from somebody else, and they take that stuff and they put it into they put their own spin on it. They put their own materials on it. And again, I'm going to show you how to do that in my custom bonus. And then they go ahead and give that out, and that actually makes them look more professional, not less. So I'll show you quickly the members area over here. Not a whole lot to see here. You got 5 modules. You have the index of the episodes. And by the way, can't stand this sales page. I'm sorry, Cam, but like nobody's reading this wall of text here. But this is basically a list of every single podcast that Cam has done. And I think that's a bad way of doing these. I get why he's doing it, but I don't see anybody wanting to go ahead and read through that entire list over there. But bottom line, you'll go over here into the members area. You'll have all the different modules. You'll have the PLR license, okay? You're going to have the transcriptions, and you have some bonuses over here as well. Some really nice stuff. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Use tip of my hat, Cam. Great idea and really, really nicely done. The sales page with that wall of text, I would have done something different, but bottom line, this is good quality stuff. And for $12.97, you really can't go wrong. This is definitely worth picking up. And by the way, I usually don't buy courses and software in the MMO niche anymore. I just don't need it because, first of all, I get review access, and second of all, I actually am kind of beyond a lot of these things, especially the beginner stuff. But one of the few things I will buy, no matter what, is more PLR if it's good quality PLR, because I know that that's going to be valuable to me and it's valuable to you. So go ahead and grab this. This one is worth picking up.